Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Hyundai Ioniq. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to be discoverable. Next, navigate to the Setup menu on your Ioniq's infotainment screen. From there, select the Bluetooth option and then choose Add New Device. This will allow your car to search for your phone, making the initial connection straightforward and simple. Once your Ioniq finds your phone, its name will appear on the car's display. Simply select your phone from the list. Both your phone and the car will then show a pairing code. Verify that these codes match before confirming the connection. After successful pairing, your Ioniq may ask for permission to access your contacts and messages. Granting this access enables hands-free calling and text message display. For a more integrated experience, you can connect your phone via USB to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Always use a high-quality USB cable to ensure a stable connection. Plug one end into your phone and the other into the designated USB port in your Hyundai Ioniq, usually found near the center console. Your car's system will then prompt you to enable either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, offering seamless navigation and media control. If you encounter any issues, a few simple steps can help. Try restarting both your phone and the Ioniq's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting previous Bluetooth pairings from both devices and starting fresh can resolve connection problems. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as software updates often include compatibility improvements. These tips should help you maintain a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.